Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming admin access to the Facebook page you'll use. Next, create a Facebook developer account and register a new app. This links your chatbot to Facebook's platform. Once done, connect your page in the app settings and generate a page access token. Store it securely. Make sure to enable Messenger, set webhook URLs, and subscribe the app to the page. These steps let your bot send and receive messages, so don't skip any permission or token confirmations. You now build the conversation. Start by mapping intents and quick replies for top user tasks. This reduces friction. Then implement a webhook that receives events, parses message payloads, and responds using the page access token. Include error handling and logging. Once the server route is live, connect webhook subscriptions in the app dashboard. After wiring, test flows using the page inbox and a separate test user. Iterate until responses feel natural, concise, and resilient against unexpected user inputs. You finish by switching the app to live and completing any required app review permissions. Verify the page access token remains valid. Then deploy your bot backend to a reliable host and monitor performance. Track response time, fallback frequency, and where users drop off. If something fails, first check webhook delivery status, token expiration, and permission scopes, then inspect logs for exceptions. Make incremental fixes, redeploy, and retest. One key troubleshooting tip: restart your webhook process and resubscribe the page if messages stop appearing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.